Hello and welcome once more to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through the whole process on how to install the Pinduoduo application used for China importation on your Android and iPhone devices. To install the Pinduoduo application on your iPhone devices, the process is straightforward. Just move to your App Store and search for Pinduoduo. You would find that with the icon of Pinduoduo and the name and get it installed like you would install any other application on your iPhones or iOS devices. But for the Android devices, the process is a little bit different in that you won't find the Pinduoduo application in the Play Store. To verify that and confirm with, let's open Play Store right now. And we'll press the search button. And in the search bar, we type Pinduoduo and hit search. Now, if you look on all the applications that are proposed to you, you won't find the Pinduoduo application. That is, if you know the icon very well, like we have seen previously, you would notice that it is found nowhere in the Google Play Store. That is the more reason why we have to use this other process, which I'm going to show you right now, to get it installed. And to do that, we press open our Google Chrome browser. And in the address bar of our browser, we type pinduoduo.com and press go on our keyboard. When the Pinduoduo website opens, this is the page you should see. At this point, you press on the button found top left of our screen. This one highlighted. And when you press that, you shall be taken to the download page of the Pinduoduo application. Now on this page, there are two buttons which you can press to get it downloaded. You find the yellow button at the center part of your screen and the yellow button also that is found on the bottom right of your screen. Either of them would download the Pinduoduo application. So I'll just press any of them. I'm pressing the one at the center right now. And this pop-up is going to come up on your screen, warning you that the file is harmful to your device. You need not be scared to download. You just have to press the OK button and download. Why you get this message is because this application has not been verified by Google Play Store for security. If it has undergone the security verification on Play Store, you won't have this message. So you need not be afraid. Just go ahead and press on OK, and the download process is going to start. Now, because I've already downloaded the application on my device a couple of times, that is why it's asking me to either create a new file or replace the downloaded file. I'll just press replace so that I'll take you through the whole process, exactly how you're supposed to do that. So when you press that, you would now see the download process start. Had it been we had not downloaded before, where the message replace file was, we would find instead download there. Okay, so the download process has started. If you're keen enough, you would see that on the notification bar of our device now. Okay, we can also pull down the notification bar and you see the download process. That's the first item. The download is at 55% now. And we'll just wait till it reaches 100% and then we can open and start the installation. When the download process is over, you would find this message on your screen asking you to open the downloaded file. You may just press there to get it open, or if it disappears, you go back to your notification area, pull it down, and search for the downloaded file and press on it. When you press on it, the file will be opened. You are going to be asked if you really want to install the application. At this point in time, you just press on the install button and the installation process is going to start. You just wait patiently to the end of the installation process and you can open the application and start using it to source goods from China and get them shipped to you in your country. While we wait, if this is the very first time you're coming by my channel, please consider giving a thumbs up to this video, subscribing to the channel, and activating the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified if or when we upload new videos. We shall be constantly uploading videos on the channel on the importation from China. We'll be taking you through the whole process from sourcing your goods, identifying trustworthy stores on the apps used to source goods from China like Pinduoduo 1688, and how to get good shipping companies that can take your goods from China to you in your country. We also have a complete course on importation from China with the 1688 application and the Pinduoduo application. If that's anything you're interested in, get to the description of this video and you'll find a link that you can use to contact me, and we will teach you everything you need to know to start importing goods from China. Once the installation is completed, you can either press on the open to get the application opened and you can start sourcing your goods from China and getting them shipped to your country, or you can just close and then look for the icon in your app drawer and press on it to get the application opened. Once the application opens, you would have this pop-up message. Just press on the green button to accept their policies. At this point, you would need to get your WeChat account linked to Pinduoduo before you can start using it. All you need to do is press the green button and follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to link your Pinduoduo application to your WeChat account, so you can now start sourcing goods and getting them shipped to you in your country. That will be all for this video. Consider giving it a thumbs up if you found the video interesting. Subscribe to the channel. Activate the notification bell so you'll be the first to know about our subsequent videos. Thank you and see you in the next.